This is one of those LetCode questions where the brute force approach will definitely time out. But once you switch to a sliding window, the same problem becomes all and clean solution. We are given an array of positive integers and a target sum. We need to find the minimum length of the continuous subarray for which the sum is greater than or equal to the target. If there is no such subarray, return 0. All numbers are positive, so when we reach or pass the target, we can safely shrink the window, because removing numbers make the sum smaller. This makes sliding window a perfect fit for this question. Let's check the first example together. We have an array and our target is 7. We initialize left to 0, sum is equal 0 and minimum length is equal maximum integer. Right is equal 0, number right is equal 2. Sum is equal 2 less than target. Extend window. Right is equal 1, numbers right is equal 3. Sum is equal 2 plus 3 is equal 5. Still less than target. Extend window again. Move right to 2. Right is equal 2. Number right is equal 1. Sum is equal 5 plus 1 is equal 6. Still less than target. Extend window again. Right is equal 3. Number right is equal 2. Sum is equal 6 plus 2 is equal 8. Target is reached. Update minimum length from index 0 to index 3 is 4. Now start shrink. Left is equal 0. Number left is equal 2. Sum is equal 8 minus 2 is equal 6. Left is equal 1. 6 is less than target. No longer valid. Extend window again. Right is equal 4. Number right is equal 4. Sum is equal 6 plus 4 is equal 10. Target is reached. Check minimum length from index 1 to index 4. It's still 4. Shrink. Left is equal 1. Number left is equal 3. Sum is equal 10 minus 3. It's equal 7. Move left to 2. Sum is equal target. Update minimum length from index 2 to index 4. It's 3. Shrink again. Left is equal 2. Number left is equal 1. Sum is equal 7 minus 1 is equal 6. Move left to 3. Sum is no longer valid. Extend window again. Right is equal 5. Number right is equal 3. Sum is equal 6 plus 3 is equal 9. Targets reach. Check the minimum length is still 3. Shrink again. Left is equal 3. Number left is equal 2. Sum is equal 9 minus 2 is equal 7. Move left to 4. Sum is equal target. Update minimum length from index 4 to 5 is equal 2. Shrink again. Left is equal 4. Number left is equal 4. Sum is equal 7 minus 4 is equal 3. Move left to 5. Sum is equal less than target. No longer valid. Loop ends return minimum length is equal 2. Let's check the code together. Initialize left is equal 0, sum is equal 0, minimum length is equal maximum integer. Expand the window to the right by adding the current number. If current window meets the target, update minimum length. Shrink window from the left to try for minimum subarrays. If no valid window found, return 0. Otherwise, return the minimum length. Sliding window is powerful when all the array contains all positive numbers. It lets you expand and contract the window dynamically, and every element is processed at most twice. Once is for adding, once is for removing. So you get a clean O(n) time complexity with a O(1) space complexity. Classic interview pattern, and this question is one of the best examples. If you found this video, don't forget to like and subscribe. Thank you for watching, friends. See you in the next one.